reduction formula for integration secant x power n dx is equal to in equals secant x power n minus 2 tan x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by in n minus 1 in minus 2. Okay, now find here secant integration secant x power 5 dx. Okay, now let's start the proof. Okay, first let's in equals integration secant x power n dx. Let's is equation number 1. Next in equal to integration secant x power n minus 2 into secant square x dx. Okay, here secant x power n, okay, is right in terms of secant x power n minus 2 and secant square x. Okay, now apply u into v integration by parts. Okay, we know that integration u into v dx is equal to u into integration v dx minus integration u dash into u dash means derivative of u into integration v dx whole dx. Okay, apply here in equal to u into u value is secant x power n minus 2 integration v is secant square x dx minus integration u dash, that is d by dx of u value is here secant x power n minus 2 into integration v is secant square x dx whole dx. Okay, now next step here in equal to secant x power n minus 2 into, we know that integration of secant square is equal to tan x. Integration secant square x dx is equal to tan x minus integration derivative of secant x power n minus 2 now is in the form x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1. Okay, apply here is n minus 2 into secant x power n minus 2 minus 1 is n minus 3. Using chain rule, secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. Okay, next integration of secant square x is equal to tan x dx. Okay, is equal to secant x power n minus 2 into tan x minus n minus 2 is constant right here. Integration is secant x power here n minus 3 here 1, so n minus 3 plus 1 is equal to n minus 2 here power n minus 2. Next into tan x is tan square x dx. Okay, next is equal to secant x power n minus 2 into tan x minus n minus 2 into integration of secant x power n minus 2 into, we know that identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then write tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Okay, here secant square x minus 1 dx. Next is equal to secant x power n minus 2 into tan x minus n minus 2 into integration secant x power n minus 2 into secant square x. Okay, we get secant x power n minus of integration secant x power n minus 2 dx. Okay, next step here is in equal to secant x power n minus 2 into tan x minus n minus 2 into integration secant x power n minus secant x power n minus 2 dx. Okay, by equation number 1. Okay, in equals secant x power n minus 2 into tan x minus n minus 2 into, okay, by equation number 1 we get here in minus here in minus 2. Next is in equals secant x power n minus 2 into, as it is tan x minus n minus 2 into in minus into minus plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. Okay, this term take left side is in plus n minus 2 into in is equals secant x power n minus 2 into tan x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. Okay, here in is common term. 1 plus n minus 2 is equals secant x power n minus 2 into tan x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. Okay, right side term no change. Here in into, here we get n plus n minus 1, okay, is equal to n minus 1 is equal to secant x power n minus 2 into tan x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 in minus 2. Okay, if n equal to 0, then implies I naught equals integration 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Here 1 dx is secant x power 0 is 1 into dx is dx, 1 dx is equal to x plus c. If n equal to 1, then implies I1 equal to integration secant x dx is equal to formula log secant x plus tan x plus c, or log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. In reduction formula, here find the reduction formula for integration tan x power n dx, and hence find the value of tan x power 6 dx. Let's start the proof. Okay, first let's in equals integration tan x power n dx. Let is equation number 1. Now in equals integration tan x power n minus 2 into tan square x dx. Now in equals integration tan x power n minus 2, here tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1 dx. Okay, using this formula secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, then we get tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Okay, in equals integration tan x power n minus 2 into secant square x dx minus integration tan x power n minus 2 into dx. Okay, here tan x equal to t, then we get secant square x dx equal to dt. So in equals integration t power n minus 2 into dt minus is in minus 2 by equation number 1. Okay, next is in equal to is in the form x power n integration. X power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, apply this formula is a t power n minus 2 plus 1, t power n minus 2 plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 minus in minus 2 as it is. Okay, then is in equal to t power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Now write t value tan x is in equal to t value is tan x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. If n equal to 0, then we get I naught is equal to integration 1 dx is equal to x plus c. If n equal to 1, then implies I1 equal to integration tan x power 1 is tan x dx is equal to log secant x plus c. Is reduction formula for integration tan x power n dx. Here find tan x power 6 dx. Now find the value of integration tan x power 6 x dx. Okay, consider integration tan x power 6x dx. Here clear n equal to 6. N equal to 6 substitute above reduction formula. In equal to tan x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Okay, so is I6 is equal to tan x power 6 minus 1 is 5 by 5 minus I 6 minus 2 is 4 is equal to tan x power 5 by 5 minus I here n equal to 4. Now again substitute n equal to 4 in above formula, then we get tan x power 4 minus 1 is 3 by 3 minus I 4 minus 2 is I2. Okay, is equal to tan x power 5 by 5 minus tan cube x by 3 minus into minus plus I2. Here n equal to 2. Now again substitute n equal to in above formula, then we get tan x power 2 minus 1 is tan x by 1 minus I naught. Okay, is equal to tan x power 5 by 5 minus tan x cube by 3 plus tan x minus I naught value is I naught value x plus c. Substitute here x plus c is I6. I6 is integration tan x power 6x dx. Okay, reduction formula is LAQ. If in equal to integration sin x power n dx. Okay, then we show that in value is in equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. Now start the solution. First let in equal to integration sin x power n dx. Suppose that is equation number 1. Okay, next is in equal to integration sin x power n. We can write sin x power n minus 1 into sin x dx. Now apply integration by parts u into v. Now apply u into v form is in equal to, okay, here formula u into integration u into v dx is equal to u into integration v dx minus integration d by dx of u into integration v dx whole dx. Okay, u into, here u value is sin x whole power n minus 1 into integration sin x sin x dx minus integration d by dx of u is here sin x power n minus 1 into integration v dx is integration sin x dx whole dx is equals sin x power n minus 1 integration sin x dx is equal to minus cos x minus integration d by dx of sin x power n minus 1 is n minus 1 into sin x power n minus 1 minus 1 into using chain rule derivative of sin x is cos x into integration sin x is minus cos x dx is equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 into cos x, here minus into minus plus n minus 1 is constant right here, is integration sin x power n minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2 into sin cos x into cos x is cos square x dx, okay, is equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into integration sin x power n minus 2 sin x power n minus 2, here cos square x is equal to, in terms of sin, is 1 minus sin square x, okay, we know that here sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Now write cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, okay, into dx is equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into integration sin x power n minus 2 into 1 plus 2 into dx, here minus 2 plus 2 cancel, is equal to in equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into, from equation number 1, is equal to in minus 2 minus in is equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 into cos x plus here n minus 1 multiply with in minus 2 and in, then we get n minus 1 into in minus 2 minus in into n minus 1 implies in plus in into n minus 1 is equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2, okay, is implies in of 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to sin x power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. Here minus 1 this one cancel, then we get is in into n is equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2, then we get in equal to minus sin x power n minus 1 into cos x by n plus n minus 1 into n into in minus 2 is the reduction formula for integration sin x power n dx, okay. If here n equal to 1, then we get I1 is equal to integration sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c, and one more value, if n equal to 0, then we get I0 is equal to integration 1 dx is equal to x plus c, okay. Here find the reduction formula for here in is equal to integration cot x power n dx, here n being positive, n greater than or equal to 2, hence reduce the value of integration cot x power 4 dx. Okay, now let's start the proof. First here let's in equal to integration cot x power n dx. Let's is equation number 1. In equal to integration cot x power n minus 2 into cot square x dx. Here cot x power n dx, okay, is right in cot x power n minus 2 into cot square x is equal to integration cot x power n minus 2 into, we know that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, then implies cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, apply here cot square x equal to cosec square x minus 1 dx is equal to integration cot x power n minus 2 into cosec square x dx minus integration cot x power n minus 2 dx integration cot x power n minus 2 dx. Okay, once again here cot x power n minus 2, okay, is multiply with the cosec square x, then we get integration cot x power n minus 2 into cosec square x dx, and cot x power n minus 2 multiply with minus 1, then we get here cot x power n minus 2 dx. Okay, next in first term here let's cot x equal to t. Now differentiating on both sides with respect to x, then we get minus cosec square x dx equal to dt. Cot x derivative is minus cosec square x dx, so then implies cosec square x dx is equal to minus dt. Cot x equal to t. Here these two values substitute in above integral, then we get integration t power n minus 2 into minus dt, and this term is equal to I n minus 2 from equation number 1. By equation number 1 is equal to in equal to integration minus is a t power n minus 2 dt minus in minus 2 is equal to minus integration x power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so here t power n minus 2 plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 minus in minus 2 is equal to minus t value is, we know that t value cot x, right here cot x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2, so is in equal to reduction formula for integration cot x power n is in equal to minus cot x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Okay, now here given question, reduce the value of integration cot x power 4 dx. Okay, now start the solution. Here integration cot x power 4 dx, here n equal to 4. Your reduction formula for cot x is in equal to minus cot x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Okay, using this formula I4 n equal to 4 minus cot x power 4 minus 1 is 3 by 3 minus I2 Okay, now here n equal to 2 again is equal to minus cot x cube by 3 minus, right here n value equal to 2 in above formula, is minus cot x power 2 minus 1 is 1 by 1 minus I naught. Okay, is equal to minus cot x cube by 3 minus into minus plus cot x minus into minus plus I naught. We know that I naught is integration cot x power 0 dx is equal to integration 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Okay, right here I naught value is equal to I4 equal to minus cot x cube by 3 plus cot x plus x plus c.